In primetime news this evening, undercover, TVJ News goes inside illegal parties, dances and clubs for a first-hand view of the breaches. Survival, vendors tell their side, breaching curfews to stay afloat. And business as usual in Falmouth Market.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Vashon Brown. Also this evening, the Business Day, Primetime Sports, Sports Commentary, E-Prime and Weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Here's our feedback question. How has COVID-19 affected your plans for this holiday season?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at televisionjam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.